The first time I learned about an SRS account, I put quite a substantial amount in there. I won't say how much. And then I completely forgot that it was not very liquid, or rather, if you take it out, you have to pay a penalty. So then I was left with not a lot of cash left behind, so to speak. So I felt like I could have budgeted better when it came to deciding and calculating how much money to put in an SRS account. So what would your advice be?
So just having a kind of a financial plan over what your big expenses will be over the next 5 to 10 years. Maybe you want to get a new house, a new car, and so making sure that those funds are very liquid and definitely not in SRS. It also depends a little bit on your current salary, which also impacts the that liquidity as well, right?
Yeah.
So if you're earning huge amounts of money, you don't care, you just put everything in.
Yeah.
If you have a bit of cash flow constraints, I think there are two things. One is the cash flow side. Of course, again, you don't want to need to withdraw from the SRS.
Yeah, don't do an oopsie like I did.
Yeah, and the second one is also just that you don't get taxed so much, right? If you're not earning as much, even your marginal tax might be 5, 6, 7%.
Yeah.
At that point, you could argue it's not worth the restrictions that SRS has. But once you're earning, I'd say, you're paying a marginal tax of anything above, I'd say 10%.
Okay.
Definitely makes sense to put into SRS.
Yeah, that's a good gauge, and I'm glad you put a number on it, because then it gives us an idea of what's viable.